Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to an evening with me cleaning my house. We haven't done this in a while, but it was a crazy week last week. It was an even crazier weekend, and this coming weekend is a holiday. So I want to get the house ready. I'm feeling overwhelmed. It's been neglected. And like I've said in many videos, the state of my house affects me mentally. When the house is clean and organized, I feel like I function at optimal capacity. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. Andrew's cooking dinner. I'm not very hungry. I had a late lunch. I went and I picked up coffee as some liquid motivation. And I also decided to pick up a few new cleaning supplies to further inspire me. So I went to the dollar store and I just grabbed this cute little bucket that I thought I could keep upstairs. I do have a cleaner that comes once a month and we have a specific caddy that she uses. We keep it in the basement. I will pull from it when I'm cleaning, but it is annoying to have to go all the way down to the basement and get it. So I thought I could have a smaller little bucket of things that I use upstairs on the second floor and just keep it in the closet and grab from it when I need. I already have some cleaners up there, so I'll add to it. But the new stuff that I got, aside from this caddy, was, I saw this at the dollar store. This is just double strength cleaning vinegar. It's Canadian vinegar, so maybe more superior. Actually got it for was this guy, which I also picked up, got everything from the dollar store. Half vinegar, half Dawn dish soap for your glass shower. It cleans really, really well. And then I'm gonna squeegee it off. Got a pair of gloves. But really what I went out for was Fabuloso, which is relatively new to Canada, and I've only seen the purple one. My mom started using it and she said it smells so lovely and the smell lingers for days. We're gonna try to clean this whole house from top to bottom tonight and go to bed feeling very accomplished and refreshed. So I've got my, wow, got dust. So embarrassing. I've got my cleaning shirt on, my cleaning clothes, and we're gonna get into it. Let's get going. Okay, so the kitchen's a little bit crazy because it was meal prep day. We meal prepped the last 2 days, so it tends to get crazy. The front hall is just the front hall catch-all. The living room is not terrible, definitely in need of a refresh. It's a little disheveled, but my office, it's embarrassing, but there are so many cups in here and a bowl. Believe it or not, that's only from a day and a half because I tend to forget my cup upstairs and just get a new one. The bathroom needs a refresh. Look at the shower glass. You can just see all the whatever soap on there. There's just nothing more satisfying than cleaning the bathroom. I don't know, is that weird that I like it? Here I have equal parts Dawn dish soap and vinegar. This is an amazing cleaner. This is great for your shower, your tub. It gets off mildew. You can use it all over your faucet. It shines things up. It's really great, and the Dawn really offsets that vinegar smell. I gave the toilet a good scrub, but I didn't feel like you needed to see that, so I'm just showing you cleaning the bowl because that's less disgusting to me. But just trust, it's very clean.
Okay, I'm rolling up this rug because as you can see, I had flipped it over and I was astonished by the amount of dirt and dust that had collected and I never noticed it. Also, that Merry Christmas rug was because I didn't have a non-slip pad underneath and that was helping keep it in place. But you'll see, I had to go over this with the vacuum and it was so cloudy, so dusty, so dirty. I even had to mop it a few times just to get that dullness off. Anyways, it was bad. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that rug. I gotta figure that out.
It's 10:40. That took quite a while, but everything is done. I did take an hour to have dinner and watch Only Murders in the Building, and then I took another 30-minute break to have watermelon. So it wasn't like, I don't know, what is that? Probably like 3.5 hours. Not terrible, but everything is so nice and tidy and clean. The floors have been washed. The only floors that I didn't really wash were down here. These floors are the old floors and I just don't like to wash them all that much. I want to preserve them. They do need to get refinished eventually, but I'm just trying to make sure that they stay nice. Anyways, I can continue my week stress-free. I don't have to think about the house. It's so lovely. I cannot wait to come downstairs in the morning and everything just be perfect. I'm a weirdo. Anyways, thank you so much for spending the evening and cleaning with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you again for another one. Night.